देखो जी, हम पढ़ेंगे आज करंट डेंसिटी। क्या है करंट? करंट डेंसिटी। इससे पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था? इलेक्ट्रॉन मोबिलिटी, which is defined as a drift velocity of few electrons per unit electric field of a conductor is called electron mobility। ठीक है, इसी तरह जो करंट डेंसिटी है, it is defined as the electric current per unit area, मगर एरिया ऑफ कंडक्टर भी एरिया कंडक्टर, मगर जो कंडक्टर है एरिया, एरिया शुड बी परपेंडिकुलर टू द करंट। ठीक है, सो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पर यूनिट एरिया ऑफ कंडक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू द कंडक्टर at any point in a conductor is called current density। current density। ठीक है, so the electric current per unit area, but area should be perpendicular to the current at any point in a conductor is called electron density। ये जो electron density है, it is denoted by J। It is denoted by J। Now, if A is the area of cross section of conductor through which current I passes, या flows, then current density is given by, so if A is the area, but this area it must be perpendicular to the current flowing through the conductor. If A is the area of cross section of any conductor through which a current I passes, then current density J is equal to I by A। ठीक है, so what is the unit of current? It is ampere, and area it is meter square। So ampere per meter square is the SI unit of current density। ठीक है, ये जो करंट डेंसिटी है, करंट डेंसिटी J, it is a vector quantity। It is a vector quantity in the direction of the electric field। So vector quantity in the direction of electric field। ठीक है, now in terms of again, if हम और लिखेंगे again, in terms of drift velocity, जो I है करंट, it is equal to ENAVD। ठीक है, therefore J किसके बराबर होगा? It will be equal to ENAVD by A, है ना, करंट डेंसिटी I by A और कैंसर ENVD। ठीक है, अगेन जो J है, देखो ये है ENVD किसके बराबर है? इन टर्म्स ऑफ फील्ड एंड चार्ज E by M into tau। ठीक है, so then it is equal to minus E square NE tau by M। This is electron density in terms of the time of relaxation and other things। ठीक है, since we know जो current density it is directly proportional to sigma E। it is equal to sigma E। ठीक है, अगर यहां पे आप देखोगे, therefore सिग्मा किसके बराबर होगा? It is equal to E square N tau by M। Simply सिग्मा is equal to E square N tau by M। सिग्मा इसके बदले मैंने लिखा क्या? दिस सिग्मा। ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टिविटी। स्पेसिफिक conductivity, it is called sigma. ये जो स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टिविटी है, it depends on the nature and temperature of the material. So जो ये कंडक्टिविटी है, स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टिविटी, it depends on the nature and the temperature of the material. So, and this is defined as the ratio of current density and E. It is defined as sigma. अगर हम यहाँ पर लिखे, it is J by E. So it is the ratio of current density to the electric field. To the electric field is called specific conductivity. ठीक से? So this is specific conductivity. This is current density. So current density is nothing. It is electric current per unit area. Area must be perpendicular to the current at any point in a conductor. It is called a current density. It is a vector quantity and its SI unit is ampere per meter square, or in terms of drift velocity it is equal to this. In terms of time of realization and other things, that is, it is equal to this. Thank you.